In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Apple Pay without social security number. It's actually simpler than it sounds. Let's refer to this example from Apple's own discussions. Someone said, I want to set up my Apple Pay, but it asks for my SSN. I don't have one, but I live in the USA. How can I set it up without it? Now here's what an Apple community specialist replied. Apple Pay itself doesn't require a social security number. What it actually needs is just a compatible payment method like a debit card or credit card already set up on your iPhone. If you are being asked for your SSN, it's probably because you are applying for the Apple card from Goldman Sachs and that requires a SSN or ITIN by law. So if you don't have an SSN and you just want Apple Pay, here's what you can do. Add a regular debit card or credit card from a bank that supports Apple Pay. If your bank needs verification, ask if they can use an ITIN, passport or another government ID instead. You can also try prepaid cards or digital bank cards that don't require SSN, as many of those work with Apple Pay too. If you are outside the USA, you won't even get the SSN prompt. You just add your card, verify it and you are good to go. So to sum up everything, you don't need an SSN for Apple Pay itself, only for the Apple card. Get a compatible payment method, add it in the wallet, verify and you are done. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.